The Teco Speecon 7200 jntmbgbb7r50azau is a sensorless vector motor control that was sent in for a complete rebuild from a company that does metal stamping. This motor control had an overcurrent fault that was ultimately traced to a defect in the control board. After refurbishment and repair of the driver, ERD fully tested this motor control on one of our test motors. Sensorless Vector is a newer type of AC motor control, which achieves the performance of a vector AC drive without needing a sensor or encoder. This new style of vector drive requires more computing in terms of firing the outputs. This is achieved by mathematically calculating the needed current to achieve the RPM and torque for the application. ERD has worked on these sensorless vector controllers since they arrived on the market, and we were well versed in how they can fail and what is necessary to properly repair and recondition them.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.